Welcome to our YouTube channel, dedicated to the enlightening world of Hadith. We are thrilled to embark on a journey through the profound sayings and traditions of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, sourced from the esteemed compilation Takhrij Ummahat Tosita by the knowledgeable scholar Al-Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal. In this channel, we delve into the treasures of wisdom found within the vast collection of Hadith, exploring the meticulous research and verification undertaken by Al-Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal. Each hadith will be presented with comprehensive references, including the sourcebooks and numbers, allowing you to trace the authenticity of these sayings back to their origins. Our commitment is to bring you authentic, enlightening, and easily accessible content that allows you to deepen your understanding of the teachings of Islam. By providing the references and numbers of each hadith, we aim to empower you with the knowledge to explore further and strengthen your connection with the rich tradition of our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him. Join us on this enlightening journey as we explore the timeless wisdom encapsulated in the hadith, and together, let's strive to embody the noble teachings of Islam in our daily lives. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest releases. Let the journey begin.